Hello students, following question is from part test 1, subject mathematics, chapter calculus, and the question is asked for 1 mark. Question is, a particle moves in a straight line and its distance from a fixed point at time t seconds is given by x equal to minus 36t minus 15t square plus 2t cube, and we are supposed to find the average acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds. We will solve this problem in 2 steps. Step 1 would be finding the equation for velocity. We know that distance over here is given as x is equal to minus 36t minus 15t square plus 2t cube. Now my velocity is nothing but v is equal to dx by dt. So I get v is equal to minus 36 minus 30t plus 8t square. So we will give this equation as relation number 1. Now we will move to our step 2, that is finding the average acceleration. My average acceleration a would be equal to v of t2 minus v of t1 divided by t2 minus t1, where my t2 is equal to 2 and t1 is equal to 0. So my equation of a would be v of 2 minus v of 0 divided by 2 minus 0. Now first of all we will compute v of 2, substituting the value of t equal to 2 in our equation 1. So we get v of 2 is equal to minus 36 minus 30 into 2 plus 8 into 2 square. So our answer for v of 2 would be minus 72. Similarly we would compute v of 0. So similarly substituting t equal to 0 in equation 1, we would get v of 0 is equal to minus 36. Now putting the value of v of 2 and v of 0 in our acceleration formula, we would get final average acceleration value is equal to minus 18. This is our final answer. When we are given such kind of problem, we will solve this problem in 2 steps. First step would be computing the equation of velocity. Then in next step we would compute average acceleration as v of t2 minus v of t1 divided by t2 minus t1, and in our case we got our final answer as minus 18. Thank you.